This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tea normal full guide. Start by selecting fresh leaves and clean water, then preheat your teapot or mug. Measure tea and water accurately and use the correct temperature for green, white, oolong, or black tea. Time your steeping carefully and taste as you go. Adjust leaf amount or steep time to suit your preference and achieve a consistent cup. Heat affects flavor dramatically, so always use the right temperature for your tea type. For black and herbal teas, bring water to 212 degrees F, while green and white teas do better around 175 degrees F. Let boiled water rest briefly if needed to reach target temperature. Using a thermometer or temperature kettle makes this repeatable. Proper heat control ensures clean, balanced flavors and avoids unwanted bitterness or astringency in your cup. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp while you enjoy a perfect cup of tea. It's a small treat that pairs well with a cozy brew. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Timing and technique are your best friends for consistent tea. Steep according to the tea type and remove leaves promptly to avoid bitterness. Swirl or gently agitate the leaves for even extraction, then pour into a pre-warmed cup. Note the steep time and leaf quantity that works for you and repeat it next time. Small adjustments each brew will teach you how to reach your preferred balance of flavor and strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.